How to manage your notifications on ConnectYu. Managing your ConnectYu notifications gives you the tendency to choose when to be notified. Follow these procedures to manage your notification settings. Click on your profile picture at the top right corner of your screen. After clicking, scroll down on the drop-down menu and click on Notification Settings. By clicking on this, you will be taken to the Notification Settings page. Here you can check or uncheck to enable and disable notification respectively when someone likes your post, someone comments on your posts, someone shares your posts, someone follows you, someone likes your pages, someone visited your profile, someone mentioned you, someone joins your group, someone accepts your friend follow request, someone posts to your timeline, and your daily remembrance. In a likewise approach, click on email notification to enable or disable email notification. Note: do make sure you click on the save button to save your changes.